Now it should be good. Mariam?
Yes.
Now let's try. I mean, I think that was my fault. Sorry. I had another window and your mom, technically fixed it. I mean, she said like the problem. A surprise. And I was struggling. Got to find out who is the real engineer.
I texted you too.
Okay, very nice. Now no echo, right? Alhamdulillah. Okay, good. Finally. Okay, let's see. Now, we're gonna today we will learn computer programming, and we will learn Java programming to be specific, right? And just so that everyone understand, this class is designed in such a way that even a 6-year-old like Fatima will understand. So we're gonna start very primitive programming, very basic programming, and then slowly we'll go advanced. So one of my goal is to kind of prove that even Fatima will be able to catch up with Maryam eventually, right? So that is what is my intention. And if Fatima can follow what I'm talking about, then I'll know that I make this programming language easy enough, right? So everybody will understand. But if anyone expect that this is an expert level programming, then this class is not for them. This is mainly for whoever just started to learn computer programming, right? So Mariam, let's start with I sent you a book, right? The book that I'll be mainly following. Can you show that link so that everybody can? That's a free book. The beauty of it, this Java programming book is free, so anyone will have access to the book. And then the other part is we'll be mainly showing you how to download the tools, how to download, write the basic programming and stuff, right? So it's gonna be a lot of fun, inshallah.
Okay,
right?
Sure. I'll share my screen.
Yeah.
But it says host disabled participants.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna enable it right away. Yeah. Can you try? And I'll be right back in 1 minute. Fatima, you talk.
Okay. So this is the link, and this is like a book, and it has a lot of sections in the book, and we're gonna go through these sections throughout the coding class, inshallah. So as you can see, it starts with the basics, like what is programming language, what is program, what is debugging, things like that. So the link, maybe we will put it in the description, and you all can also have it open when we're in the coding class. So if we ever need to go back for reference, then you'll know, and you can also go back at the same time. And also we're gonna show you how to download the integrated development environment. It's the IDE, it's called Eclipse, and you need that to do the program. So that's why we're gonna show you how to download it. But first, let me wait for Abu and see what he wants.
No, that's fine, Mariam. I'll be right back in 1 minute. But in the meantime, show them the exact link of the book. Spell it out.
I already showed them, but you can put it in the description, right? So they can open the link too.
Yeah. So the book name, where in the description?
Yeah, this is the link.
Yeah, and also show them how to download the Eclipse tool. And
but I already have it downloaded on this laptop. Should I like uninstall it or something? Oh wait, no, I don't want to read them. Okay, so I guess we'll just like see how everybody is excited, or so who's excited for this coding class? Let's see.
Very excited.
Very excited. So I see like children around my age and also a lot younger too. That's good, alhamdulillah. I see a lot of people a lot of our friends are joining today. Does anybody already know how to code here? No?
No.
That's why we're here. We're gonna learn, inshallah. We're gonna learn together. So even Fatima's gonna be learning with us. Okay. Fatima, you talk too. Are you excited? Are you on mute? No, you're not.
Assalamualaikum. Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam. How are you?
Good.
I am fine. Good, alhamdulillah.
Fatima, are you excited for the coding class?
Yes, I'm very excited.
So what you said you were gonna learn
am
like
also
4 things
very
at the same time. What are the 4 things you're gonna learn?
Typing, coding, math, and English.
Wow, you're gonna learn typing, coding, math, and English. So that's great. Alhamdulillah, 4 in one go. Then you'll be an expert in coding.
Yeah.
So anybody here is Fatima's age, 6 years old?
Yes.
Who's 6 years old?
Kulsum Sumiya.
Oh, mashallah, that's great. We're so happy to have you. So did you all get the link for the online book? Not sure.
Yeah.
You got
Where
the
where did we find it?
Oh, you found the
Where did
link.
we find it?
It should be in the description, I think. Okay, let's see.
Fatima?
Yes.
So Maryam, did
I
Maryam?
couldn't find it, Sister Maryam. I couldn't find the link for the book.
Okay,
Maryam, are you sharing? Why did you unshare?
because I finished showing the book online, but everyone wants the link to it, so you can put in the description or something.
You mean the book link?
Yes, the book.
Here, so the book link is here. Is there any way I can send it to all?
Can you put it in the description
Where
or
is the description, Maya?
like on the live in the description?
Oh, you mean, I see what you mean. I see. Okay.
Or is it only for channel members?
No, the book is for everyone. That's fine. I can email later, but for now, let's focus on like what we're gonna learn now, right?
Okay.
So, maybe can you share?
Yeah, I'll share. But are we gonna show how to download the Eclipse?
I'm gonna promote all the attendees to as a panelist so that they can also ask a question. Okay.
Okay, but are we gonna show how to download the Eclipse? Because I already have it downloaded on this computer.
Yeah. In the meantime, can you go and show how to do that?
Yeah, but do I have to like delete it from here then?
No, don't delete. Don't do anything. Just show like where they should go and how they should.
So if you just search Eclipse on Google, and then you'll find eclipse.org. This is the website. So it's spelled eclipse.org. And you go down, and then you should click on this. So it says Mac too, and Windows and Linux. So I'm on a Windows computer, I think, right? So you just need to download this, but it should work for like any other type too, apparently. And then you just click download. Then you click download. But I already have it downloaded. Why am I downloading it again? Oh, this download.
Don't download again.
Who's drawing on my computer?
Because everybody has permission to like do stuff.
I just cleared it. So if you finally download it, then you should click on. Oh wait, no, it's not done. See, it's like almost done. Can you see this? I don't know if you can see it.
So, Maryam, we need to talk about the requirement first, right? First, we need to make sure everyone has a Windows laptop.
But it said on Eclipse that it works for Mac too, so maybe it might work.
Yeah.
Okay, So it's done downloading now. I'm gonna click on it.
Maryam,
Yes.
will it work for Chromebook?
Chromebook.
You can try. You can try.
You can try, but I don't know. See, it says Eclipse $1 now.
Can I show something at the end? I don't think they have.
So then after you click, it should show you this screen. And then you should click. Somebody's voice is like lagging. If someone is saying something, I can't hear you.
Can everyone go mute?
Okay, so this is important. Let's listen first to see how we can download the Eclipse. Otherwise, we have the place to code. Okay, so after it fully downloads, you should click on it, and then it will take you to this screen over here. Then you should click on Eclipse IDE for Java. Who's drawing on my screen? One second, I have to clear the drama. Okay. Eclipse IDE for Java developers, because we're gonna be learning Java. So then you have to click install, but I'm not gonna click install because I already have it on the computer, so there's no point. So then you just click install and install on your computer, okay?
Excuse me.
Okay, now I see a lot of you have questions. Let's do it in a more organized way. So if you have a question, can you raise your hand with that emoji thing? Or some of you don't have videos.
Did
So.
you unshare, Maryam?
Yes, I did. Okay. Yeah, Manar, you have a question?
Yes. So can I also download it on Google Play? Like, is it an app?
You can't download it on Google Play. You have to go on Google and search Eclipse, and then you can download it from there. From the website.
Okay. Jazakallah khairan.
Can you download it from desktop?
No, you cannot download it from desktop. You have to go to Google and search Eclipse, and then click on the website and download it from there. That's the only way to download it.
Yeah, I mean, desktop computer is fine.
Oh, desktop computer, yeah.
Desktop computer is fine. It just cannot be probably phone and stuff. It may not work, right?
I don't think it will work on a Chromebook either, but I mean, you can try. It might work.
I think it's worked because it says on it. Is this right? You go on it and it takes you to this thing that's called Eclipse Foundation. OBO acceleration growth increases exposure as a strategic member of the Eclipse Foundation.
Does it show you like an option where it says install for IDE for Java developers and that kind of stuff?
See that?
What should we type again?
I don't know. I don't know.
No, I think
No, I didn't show it.
Okay, I'm trying to see what are.
Oh, it didn't work. It says that the file is not supposed
Maryam.
to go back again.
Oh, okay.
It doesn't work for my Chromebook. Yeah, it doesn't work.
Can you share your
I'm doing a lot.
Assalamu alaikum, Sister
People
Maryam.
are talking at once and I can't hear anybody.
Yeah, everyone please go mute. You will all
Excuse me,
get a chance to talk.
Sister Maryam.
Yes. Okay.
I just want to say, before I was not able to unmute and I can't open my video. So can you tell me how should I do? And now I can.
Yeah, that's fine. I will describe you, Maryam. First, you go, share your desktop. I'll show one step by step, and give me, allow me control. Okay, I'll be able to control your screen. You shared, right? That's great. First, you see you shared. I'm gonna put only side by side the speaker.
Somebody keeps drawing on my screen.
Is it? If I can find out, then that person will be banned. By the way, we'll be very strict about it. Do not draw on Maryam's screen. Okay.
Assalamu alaikum, Maryam. Do you hear me, Sister Maryam?
Yes,
we
walaikum
can hear you.
assalam. We can hear you.
Okay, thank you. Just checking.
Maryam, can you give me control?
Yes, I can.
Just accept.
I did.
Okay, very good. So as you can see, right, the requirement for this class is, first of all, you need a tool, right? You need a tool where you will be able to download this Eclipse tool. This is an IDE. IDE means integrated development environment, right? So where you will be able to go and write the program. First, you need something to write the program, right? So someone is drawing again, right?
I saw the name.
You know the name?
Yes, I do. I'll text it to you.
Okay. So you will be able to download it, and you can see that Eclipse Foundation, they have a, they have a program, as you can see. Maryam, can you go back? For some reason, when I click on that,
Why is my mouse not working though? It's not like, 1 second. Okay. Okay, yeah, now it's
I
working.
give up control. I give up.
Assalamu alaikum, Sister Maryam.
Wa alaikum assalam. Okay.
Right.
Yes.
Assalamu alaikum.
1 second, Maryam. Go back.
Where should I go?
No, go back to your screen, right? So that where the download button is shown. I want to show that.
Oh, 1 second.
Here, once you go to Eclipse, and then you will see a download option like this, right? It says download. You click on the download, and remember, you have to have a Windows laptop, or it may work on MacBook as well. We don't know. We haven't tried on MacBook. Download this tool on your laptop, right? And then install it, right? You will see an install button. Maryam, don't click on that. You already have it. So, and then install it. That's it, like simple step. You need to have a laptop to be able to, write this program, okay? Now,
the screen is stuck.
you mean it may require higher speed of the network. That's why, on the promo video, we ask everyone to, download this tool. But that's okay. If you cannot download now, just follow for now, and inshallah, later on in your free time, you download it and install it, and then inshallah next class you will be ready, okay? But
And just one more thing is, when you install it, the options that come from the options, make sure to click for Java developers, because we're gonna learn Java, so we're gonna work on that one better than the other.
Sister Maryam.
Yeah.
When I try to download it, it gives me a form that I have to fill out.
Form?
Yes.
It shouldn't be. It should be simple, right? You need to click on Windows version, and then it should be straightforward download. There is no form, nothing you need to fill out.
Can it be for computer?
Yes, computer. So you have a Windows machine, right? Windows laptop, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Then you simply click on this download. There should not be any form. Maybe you are not clicking on the right button. Okay. Okay, very good. So Maryam, so now I'm gonna let's see. So now Fatima, you're gonna start. So Fatima is gonna start now to show you how to write this program.
Should I stop here?
Sister Maryam,
Yes.
it's saying that it's not like for a Chromebook.
Then it probably doesn't support it on Chromebook. I'm not sure how to help you.
You can.
I have a question.
Yes.
I am saying before is the class of Quran class, the tweet class. I was not able to unmute myself, and then I have a question. So can I ask now?
This is not a Quran class. You can hold the question, or you can send an email to us, and Maryam is gonna answer you, inshallah. Okay? Because today we are learning Java programming, right? So maybe send the question to the appropriate forum, right? Inshallah. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Abu, should I stop
Assalamu
here?
alaikum, Sister Maryam. It shows money to get the app Eclipse. It shows
No,
like
no,
it costs money.
You don't need to give money. It should be free. It's free.
Free? Okay.
Sister Maryam.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam. Should I stop
Madam,
here?
how to open file?
So who is speaking? Can you say your name so that we know who is speaking?
I'm Ira Jahangir. but I've joined the channel membership from my mom's account.
So is Jahra Imtiaz you are speaking?
Yeah, but my real name is Irajan.
Allah. No, that's fine. What is your question?
My question is that it's not really a question. It's just that I've joined since a month, and I haven't really got Maryam's WhatsApp number.
Yeah, because you need to send an email. Remember, that's the requirement. I mean, it's not going to automatically be sent to you. I mean, whoever send us an email, only they get it. Okay. Thank you. I mean, those kind of questions, please hold until the end. Otherwise, we'll never be able to start the program, the class. Okay, inshallah.
Okay, Abu, should I stop sharing?
No. Now go to Eclipse.
Assalamu alaikum.
So Fatima is going to start here, and so you can do the same.
So if Fatima does it, then you should share her screen, right? Not my screen.
Oh, should I? Okay.
Okay, so I'm stopping then.
Yeah, sure. Fatima, let's start. Okay, so Fatima, so I'm talking to Fatima, right? So Fatima, what is the plan today? Can you tell me? So we will first tell me what is program.
Programming is a period of instructions.
A set of instructions, right? So basically, think about that. We need to ask the computer do something, right? But computer do not understand things on its own, right? So computer is kind of like a dumb person, right? So we need to give a set of instructions, right? So let's say you want to do a math, right? You want to add 2 + 3 equal something, right? So how would you describe? How would you possibly do that?
So imagine the computer doesn't know anything. So we have to give him basket 1 and basket 2. So in basket 1, you wanna put something, right? So you have to put in basket 1 you have to put 2, and basket 2 you have to put number 3, and then in basket 3 you have to tell computer to add basket 1 and basket 2, and finally you have to ask computer to print it.
Yeah, so basically what Fatima is trying to say, her goal today is she wants to add 2 numbers, 2 and 3, simple math, right? She wants to add it, but she wants to do that in programmatically, right? She wants to write a program that the computer will understand that she wants to add 2 + 3, and then finally the computer will print what the 2 + 3 is, right? And for that, she's saying that since computer do not understand, she's going to give computer 3 baskets. In one basket, she's going to ask computer to put 2, and then the other basket she's going to ask computer to put 3. And finally, she's going to ask computer to add these 2 things and then put on the basket 3. And then she will ask computer to print that third basket, whatever is in there, right? So just watch how she does that. We did the same thing like we said, right? We have this Eclipse tool installed, right? You can see Eclipse is starting. And Fatima is going to do
Hey, Abu, you're not sharing your screen. We can't see your screen.
Oh,
Yes.
okay. So I'm gonna share now.
Hello? Can you hear me, Sis Maryam?
Yes.
Yes, we can hear you.
I didn't get the link.
The link, we don't really need the book right now, so that's fine. We'll give the link later on, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum, Sister Maryam. Do you hear me?
Walaikum assalam. Yeah, I can hear you.
Assalamualaikum, Sister Maryam. Can you hear us?
Walaikum assalam. Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay.
Assalamualaikum, Sister Maryam.
Maryam, I have a question.
Yes.
I don't have a laptop, so I don't know how I'm supposed to do the programming.
If you don't have a laptop, then you can't really do it, but you can watch, and then you can learn from watching.
Okay, but my dad has a laptop. He has a MacBook.
Okay, you can ask your dad.
Assalamualaikum, Sister Maryam.
Okay.
Walaikum
Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Can I tell something, okay?
Okay.
I have a news from Indonesia. Innalillahi wa inna ilaihi raji'un. I have a four sad news. A month ago, there was an incident of the murder of 6 FPI members by the police on the Jakarta Bogor Road. And next, the two sad news. Sriwijaya Airplane flight SG-182 had an
Hello,
incident.
audio is getting bad.
Brother Suhailuddin, can we talk about that sad news maybe at the end, inshallah? I mean, I understand this is a sad news, inshallah. We'll talk about this at the end, inshallah. Okay, all the questions please keep for the end so that we have an effective programming session, inshallah, and follow see what Fatima is doing, okay? And then you will be benefited, inshallah. So once you install this Eclipse tool, okay, Maryam, can you see our desktop?
I can't see your I can't see your screen.
Okay. Let me share again. How about now?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Now we can see.
Yes, I can see it.
Yes, we can see the screen.
Okay, so what you do, first thing, right? First thing you need to create, once you download your Eclipse tool, basically you need to create a project first, right? So you go file and then you say create new, and you say new, and then you create a new Java project, right?
Can't see the screen.
I'm doing that, as you can see, and then you can name it anything, right? Maybe I'll name it Fatima. What do you want to name it? Name the project name. Say, let's say practice math, right? Name it practice math, right? So it's PRA practice math.
So one thing about the name, you can't have a space in between.
Yes, you cannot have space, right? And then you say finish. Just simple step, right? You say finish. So you see this project is created, and then it's gonna ask, do you want to create module? You say don't create. That's it. So there's a new project. We are creating a new project so that you can follow through, right? So once this new project is created, then you need to create a folder, right? Basically, think about that. You are creating a project, and under the project you need to have folder, and under the folder you will have different programs, right? So next step is we'll create a folder. Fatima, right? Do you remember how to create the folder? You go here and you say create package, right? And in this package you can say that what kind of math you are doing. You are doing addition, right? For today's addition, ADDITION, right? We are doing addition. Yeah. Right? Yeah. And then you say finish. That's it. So this addition is created. Now
I can't see the screen. Can I leave and rejoin?
And then the last step is we're gonna create a class, right? And then this is also do addition. So we call it do addition. Just simple addition. Can everyone go mute, please? That's it. So now you see that this is basically the basic structure, right? You will see a package name, you see a class. I mean, we'll explain that as we move forward. But for now, you just follow this, right? What Fatima does, right? Those things we'll explain later on in detail. So under any class, the main thing that you need is a main function, right? So these are the things you have to just kind of copy paste, and then slowly as we progress, we will explain those things, right? If I try to explain you what is main function and what is class, then it will be very difficult for like younger students to follow, right? So now you can
Excuse me?
Here
Excuse me?
this main function, and then I'm going to hand over to Fatima. So up to this point, just follow, right? You have to first create a project. Under the project there is a package, and then under the package you create a class. And then if you can copy these 3 lines, and then Fatima is going to show how to do a math problem, right?
Excuse me?
How do you write something so that the computer will take that as a comment? Can you write what you want to do first? Like describe what you want to do here first, right?
Excuse me, do you have
Write the comment.
I mean, 2 slashes, right? Like this, right? So, maybe describe what you are doing. You are doing a addition, right? Addition problem. So you are, say, I asked the computer to do addition. Just quickly write that. Yeah, we'll repeat one more time. So what we have done, so that you will be able to follow, right? So, the environment you need to set in advance. Otherwise, what will happen if we spend a lot of time setting up the environment, then you're not going to be able to follow the programming, right? Environment setup is a very important thing. That's why I send an email to everyone and ask and request everyone to download the Eclipse tool. That's the first step, right? Once you download the Eclipse tool, there is 2 additional steps which are very simple, right? So you will see on the left side or under the file, this option is there. So basically you can see under the file, there is a new option to create a Java project, right? You click on the Java project and you can name it anything that you like. Like you can say, okay, math problem or whatever, you name it, and then it's gonna create the project, right? And after that, you have to create a package. Package is more like a folder, right? You have like multiple folders to put different kind of programs, right? So you create a folder here. So again, under new, you will find there is a package. Under project, you create a package. And finally, under the package, you create the program that Fatima is doing now, Java addition program, right? So once you create the, this class, this basic structure is automatically created. All you need to do is copy these 2 lines, right? You can copy from here. You write public static void main, and then on the brackets you say string or args, and that's where Fatima is going to write the addition program now. That she will describe what exactly she do in a very simple manner. So her goal is to add 2 plus 3 equals 3. I'm sorry, 5, right? So that's the thing she's going to show. So first she's writing what she's doing, right? So write that, Fatima.
Excuse me? Hello?
Yes.
Go ahead.
I have a problem.
Yeah.
Yeah, Maria,
I
you
am
take the question and Fatima write so you can follow the screen.
Okay. What's your question?
I am saying, do we have to just copy you, or we can do by ourselves if I know?
I mean, if you already know, then you can do.
No,
But
you can follow, or you can do your on your own. You don't necessarily need to do the exact same thing. You can say something else. Like for example,
this is for everybody who doesn't know how to do it. We're trying to teach basics today because we're just getting started and everybody's probably like new to this. And then slowly as the class goes on, we're gonna get into more difficult topics and we're gonna teach more advanced. Abu's will teach, not obviously.
I am not saying that I know. I'm saying that that we should just copy that.
Yeah, just copy it.
Okay, thank you.
No problem.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Hi, Professor Masud.
Where
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Hafiz Masud.
My father's not here. I don't know where he went. Abu, are you there?
Yeah, Maryam.
Abu, someone is calling you Professor Masud.
That's fine. Thank you so much. So you ask computer, right? Oh, that's okay. You mistake. Just whenever you write somewhere else, you erase it, right? So you ask computer to do what? Computer, right?
Yeah.
Right. To do what? Do addition, right? No.
And no, it's 3. Shen. T I.
Okay.
Addition.
Yes. So actually, Fatima is learning three things. One, she is she's just 6 years old. She turned 6 like few days back. So she's learning how to type on the keyboard, and she's also learning this writing English sentence, right? As I said, right? And also she's going to learn math plus computer programming, all four things together, inshallah. So now, what is the idea, Fatima? Tell. And when you write, you basically explain, right?
Yeah. So okay. So imagine that computer doesn't know anything. So you need to tell him. So you have to give him basket 1 and basket 2 and basket 3.
Okay, complete that. In basket 1, you want to put 2, right?
Yeah.
Okay, right
So
there.
I have to write basket 1. BASKE. Then I put a 1.
Yes.
Excuse me.
Yes.
I'm saying it's saying that Eclipse IDE for Java developers.
Yes.
What should I press?
No, you just press download. You need to download first.
No, I have downloaded, but it's just saying Eclipse IDE for Java developers, Eclipse and all that.
Yeah.
But
Click the one for Java developers.
After download, you also need to install it. Did you install it as well?
Yeah. She's saying that
Yeah.
there's a lot of options that come up. Make sure to click the one for Java developers.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, Fatima.
Jazakallah.
In the basket 1, you put like what? So your goal is to.
I'm going to do a 2. So I'm going to put a 2. And then put a space, and then I'm going to put a semicolon.
Semicolon. Why do you have to put semicolon? That's the rule, right?
Yeah.
So when you write programming, after each line you have to put a semicolon. Otherwise, computer do not understand this line is finished, right? And so I will just you can see, right, there is an error at the beginning, right? There is a cross mark, but there is an error.
I know. Excuse me. You have to put a TIN.
No, INT. INT meaning it's a type, right? So we'll explain all those things later. But for now, think about Fatima. Create a basket 1 where she puts 2, right? And let's move on.
Now I'm going to create basket 2.
Yeah.
So I have to write basket first. BASKET, basket 2. And
Space.
basket, and then I'm going to put a space and then put this, what is it? Equals sign, and then I'll put the number 3. And then I'll put the semicolon because I'm going to do 2 plus 3. So I'm going to put a semicolon then.
So basically, so far, you said the computer that look, I mean, in the basket you put 2, and in the basket 2, in basket 1 you put 2, and in basket 2 you put 3, right? So that's all you said so far, right? Yeah. Okay, now let's see what happened. Basically, let's see you want computer. You don't want to tell like how to add, right? So
yeah,
what are you going to do?
Because computer has to tell it.
Yeah. So what is the next line you are writing? Can you explain?
So next line I'm going to put basket 3 because in basket 3 I'm going to tell computer to add basket 1 and basket 2, and then finally we're going to tell him to print it.
Good job. Okay, let's do that then. Basket 3.
BASKET, and then space, and then this equal sign, and then a space.
Yeah. So basket could be what?
Add.
No, so you are basically saying, okay, basket 2 plus basket 3, right? Simple, yeah. Right? You are saying.
So, but you said that you have to only get this.
Excuse me, Mr. Masud. First, you need to take basket 1 plus basket 2, right? So as you can follow, right, Fatima is doing a very simple math. She's trying to add 2 plus 3, but she's not telling computer what is 2 plus 3, and she's asking computer to calculate itself, right? So the computer will calculate what is 2 plus 3. Imagine in a physical world, you put like 2 in one basket and 3 in another basket, and you are asking computer to take 2 and 3 and put in basket 3, right? That's what she is doing.
How do I get this on?
Shift. You have to press shift and then plus. Yeah.
Oh no, I didn't do that.
First, you have to press shift. Shift.
Yeah. So if you do a mistake, you have to put.
Hello.
And then.
Yeah, we are almost gonna come back. Okay.
And then you put the plus, and then you.
Fatima, a good practice is everything you write, then put a space so that it's clear, right? Otherwise, it looks clumsy, right? No, like that. Okay.
And then you put basket too, so.
Hello?
Spell it wrong. Basket 2, right?
Yeah, 2 and then.
How do you write the line? You just said like how to. Yes, every line, after every line you need to put a semicolon. That's great. So you can see that a very simple program. What she did in basket 1 she put 2, in basket 2 she put 3, and in basket 3 she is asking computer to calculate. So essentially she is saying that's programming, right? That's, you are writing a set of instructions for the computer, right? So you are she's saying computer, put basket 3, whatever is there in basket 1 and basket 2, and then I'm going to put an int to fix this problem because Fatima doesn't understand. But later on, as she move on, we'll explain what is int. Int is the data type, right? So it can be character, it can be anything, right? For those who knows computer programming, so they understand why it is needed. Now finally, Fatima, we're going to print it, right? So we need to say system, right? System.out, right? Dot printf, right? That's kind of a structure you have to remember, right? Printf. And then what do? We put into brackets, right? You can see it already gives you how the structure should be. So now whatever you put in this, it's gonna appear, right? You say that what is that? Here is my addition, right? Here is my addition.
Should I write it in here?
Yeah. On those two under those two quotation mark, you have to say.
Is I.
No, you have to give a space, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
Maryam, are you also following?
Why?
Maryam?
Yeah, I'm following.
You are also doing, I hope, right? Next you will show and then you will explain on your words, so that is.
Oh, I was.
Here is my addition, right? And so here, I mean, basically this statement is a structure, right? You will understand easily later on. You will see that many times. So, but essentially, what here Fatima is doing, she is asking computer to print like whatever is in basket 3. She has to print it. That's why you need to write the basket 3 here, right, Fatima?
Yeah.
Write basket 3. And we'll see, and then run. After you write a program, then you have to run, right? And run to show the result, right? So
hello.
First, write basket 3, right? You are printing basket 3.
Can you write it here?
Yeah. Just
Hello.
Just write basket 3.
Okay.
Hello. I am just trying to say that my laptop is taking much time to just download this Eclipse this.
Oh, okay. That's because your connection may be a little bit of slow, so that's why you should have downloaded it in advance, right? Then you could really follow. But don't worry. I mean, maybe after the class you download it and nicely install it. Next class, inshallah, you can easily follow us then, right? For now, just see what Fatima does. Right?
It's saying the installation it's processing very slowly from the following host.
Oh, okay. Then you say continue. You say continue on.
Then you
okay.
Now, Fatima, explain how do you run it? Can you explain? You have to...
in the top you'll see. Oh my gosh, what's this? It's not letting me see. What are you doing? Okay, so over here you'll see
Under run, right?
under run, and beside of that you'll see this. You can click that
Play button, right?
play button, or you can click run. Whatever you click, I'll click run, and then you just slowly go down. There's another one, and you click on that, and then you'll see the answer down here.
How come it didn't print your answer, Fatima? This is my addition, but it didn't print it. So it looks like we did a mistake, right? We got to find out why it didn't print it, right?
I think because you didn't put.
No, I think some typos.
Oh, Abu, I had it open from last time, so I didn't need to redo it because somebody already did it on this computer.
Yeah, let me see why it didn't print Fatima's addition.
But it's because on mine there's this thing like %d/n, something like that.
Oh, I think
Print the four, print the
let me see.
Hello, Sister Maryam, can you hear us?
Masud, I did the Eclipse app. It shows type the filter. So.
Oh yeah. You are right. Sorry. She missed this thing. You have to put %d, otherwise it's not going to print.
It said %d/n.
So yeah, exactly. And /n mean is going to go to next line, right? Yeah. So we'll add that. I didn't notice Fatima missed that. Okay. So now if you go to run and say run. No, just come back. You see that now the computer is saying that here is my addition, which is 5, right? That's kind of magic, right? You did a very simple program today. You add 2 plus 3 is 5, and you see that. I mean, we didn't say what is 2 plus 3, but computer added it to 12, right? So it added basically 2 plus 3, and it prints the basket 3, right? So that's our first assignment today. Now let's see. I'm gonna take some question. So this is your first assignment that you need to download Eclipse tool, install it, and
hello.
Yeah. So now I'll unshare it, and Maryam, maybe you can share it, and let's take some questions. Right. Let's see how far you know.
Okay. Should we take some questions first?
Yes. But Maryam, we'll go structure with. Can you share your screen first so that we can take some questions?
If I share my screen, then I can't see anyone. So
no, you will be able to. Just share it.
Hello, testing.
Yeah. So who is speaking? Say your name first, and then we'll pin you, and then you got one chance to talk about all of your questions. Okay. Who is speaking right now?
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
What is your name? Maryam, you are not sharing.
Somebody else shared and mine went away.
Oh, don't try to share your screen, please. Okay. Just say your name. Okay. I see Fatima Jahara has questions, so I'm gonna go serially. Okay. Fatima Jahara, go ahead. What is your question? Maryam, can you make your screen full screen?
Hello. Can you hear us?
Yeah, Fatima Jahara. Only Fatima Jahara speak from India.
Like this, I know
Java.
No, Jahara, what is your question? Can you speak up? Your voice is very low. Fatima Jahara, we'll come back to you. We can't hear you. You've got to fix your sound problem.
Excuse me?
Next question is Khadija Ibrahim. Do you have any question, Khadija?
Right, so we managed to download the Eclipse, and then when we go under File, and then we go under New, and then we open Java Project, and then we put the name Addition for the project's name.
Yeah.
And then it just press enter, it just disappears. Yeah.
No, so on the left side, as you can, Mariam, you wanna show how it appears on the left side, as you can see, you can expand, right? Once you create on the left side under Package Explorer,
Yeah.
and then under the project, you have to choose the package, right?
Right. Yeah. So after I've extended, I go. It says module addition. Okay, and then we start entering the stuff that you. Amina. Okay. Okay.
Go ahead, Sister Khadija. So after that, you create a class, right?
Yeah.
You see, there is a class option under the tab.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
The class?
Yes.
Okay, then you are good. Then just follow this program. Like whatever this snippet, you can take a screenshot of it and then slowly write the exact same thing. You will see.
All right. Okay. When I've gone under class, it says name. Do I put a name down?
Yeah, you can say addition, do addition, whatever you want to name it. Just name it.
Okay. Addition. Okay, and then you just enter all the details what you have put on there.
Yeah. You once you write all those things and then you run it, and then you see that the program is working. This is the very best piece of programming. Okay? So we go to the next question. Let me know if it works. Okay, we'll come back to you. Yeah, everyone please go mute. Next question. So next time we have to invite less panelists, I guess. Otherwise, it is a bit chaotic. Okay. So next, who has question? Let's see. Asna and Ishal, do you have any question? I'm gonna pin you now for now. Okay. Asna and Ishal, do you have any question? Asna?
Yes.
Yeah, go ahead. What is your question?
We actually had the same question as Khadija.
What is it? Tell me.
So
what is your question?
We were asking like we couldn't get to addition map. That's why. But now we actually got to
I mean, I think there should be an option to mute everyone.
Do we have to type down like all of the things that you type down?
Let me see. First, let me mute something. There is a noise coming from someone.
Susie, what will be the project name?
You can name your project anything. You can name it Do Addition or something like that.
Okay, Jazakallahu khairan.
Hello, happy Maryam Masud.
I have a question.
Someone's volume is really loud. Yeah, I think everybody's talking at once.
Yeah, so I gotta mute everyone. Okay, please keep mute and then we'll slowly unmute you one by one. So I'm gonna unmute Maryam Abdullahi. Okay, and let's talk to her. Let's see what question she has.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam, Maryam. What is your question?
Do you have to write basket before all of the codes?
No, I mean, basket is just an example. You know, you can write anything. These are, so are you familiar with computer programming? So is this first time you are doing computer programming or you have basic knowledge about computer programming?
I have basic knowledge of computer programming.
Yeah, that's good. Then you will understand. So this is basically an integer, nothing but you know, Fatima is little. I mean, I make it easy for her to understand. That's why I name it basket. Basket 1, 2, basket 3. But you can name it anything. You can say input 1, or you can say you know, anything, right? A, B, C. It doesn't matter, right? It's just an integer.
Okay, thank you.
And so you are able to get to this point, right, where you download Eclipse and you are able to write the program, right? So
yeah.
did your program work? You want to share to see if we can see your program worked or not? Okay, so we're gonna go to the next person then. Maryam, you wanna share to show your program, or should we go to the next person?
Can I share next time?
Yeah, sure, no problem. Okay, we'll go to the next person. That's great. I mean, as long as you're when you execute your program, it shows 5, then you're good. Okay, next, let's see. Next is Shaibe Ahmed, right? You have any question? Do you have any question, Shaiba?
Of connection problems, I actually left and I couldn't well
Do
actually
you have
get
any
the
questions
you
initially?
know that
No,
this
actually,
the
I'm just
part
a beginner to the program,
you
so
did.
I'm new to the program. So,
So, what did you say? You have some problem on the downloading? What is your what is this, Aisha?
I can't hear you.
I can't hear you.
Oh, someone is asking.
Everyone is talking. One.
I can't hear you.
Inshallah, next time we'll make it more structured. Today we invited so many persons. We thought like everybody would be invited, but apparently it is not. Next time we will only invite handful
I
of.
can't hear you. I can't hear you because of one person.
One person's volume is really loud. I think they need to mute.
Yes.
Who is that person?
That name is Yasmin Abdullah.
Oh, I see. Now it seems to be gone. Okay, so who is speaking? Who want to speak now?
I was speaking.
Yeah, sure. Go ahead, sister.
I got disconnected while you were like explaining, and then when I rejoined, it was over.
Okay, so Mariam, you wanna take a shot, like explain what needs to be done, like one more time, so that everybody can hear.
Okay, sure. So first you have to create the package, and then you have to create the class. And then once you do that, then you'll have this come up here, right? So these first 3 lines, they're like, you need to have them in order for the program to work. Just like for now, you can memorize it or just copy it. But in slowly, Abu will explain like what is the purpose of those lines. So it's public static void main, and then in brackets strings, then you have that bracket, and then args. And then also one thing to always remember is if you start a bracket, you need to make sure there's always a corresponding bracket to finish it. And another basic thing you need to know is that after every line of code that you write, you should have these semicolons. And this line, this is a comment, so it doesn't relate to the what's gonna come up. It's just so you can understand like what is going on. So it's a comment. In your comment, Fatima, she wrote this program. So she said, I asked the computer to do addition. So now in order to start writing it, you need to create the int, and then you need to like give it a name. So Fatima decided to give her one's names basket 1, basket 2, and basket 3. And then inside, what we're trying to do here is we're trying to basically make the program for adding 2 numbers. Fatima said she wanted to add 2 and 3. She's going to make the computer add 2 and 3. So she created a basket where she's going to store her value. The value that she put in basket 1 is 2. And the value that she put in basket 2 is 3. And then simple, the code is going to be, obviously, if you want to add it, then you're going to say, can you, to the computer, basket 3, can you make it equal to basket 1 plus basket 2? So then you have to make the computer print it so that you can see what the answer is. And then so the line for that, this is system.out.printf, and then in brackets you write in you have to put quotations for this because this is like a string that's gonna like be written there. So here is my addition, then you put the colon, and then this part
percentage D, right, Mariam? So percentage D is required because in the text field you are saying that okay, this is something a kind of decimal type of variable that you're gonna specify later after the comma, right? That's what you're gonna take the
So,
value.
so then you put %d and then the /n makes it go to a new line, but you don't really need to understand that right now. Anyways, just you can put %d/n, then finish your quotation, and then comma basket 3, and then end the bracket and
So
semicolon.
maybe show it how to run, Maryam. Run it one more time on your
So,
side. Let's
okay,
see.
so then we'll just run our project. So,
So
there's
maybe
two.
let me explain you what is really run means, right? So when you write your program, right, this is basically a set of instructions you are giving to computer, but computer do not understand like this English language, right? So what happened when you press run, the computer actually convert it into a binary stream, right? It converts it in a language that computer understand. And then the computer processor, it only understands 0 and 1, right? Like binary code, right? So that's why when you press run underneath, it actually compiles the code and it converts into a binary stream, and then it executes it. That's what happened, right? So Mayam, show how.
Okay, so there's two ways you can run it. One is if you just click this green button. Another way you can click run on the top and then click run. So this is easier. Let's just click run. So then when you click run, you see on the bottom, your program shows up. It says, here is my addition 5. Our values to begin with was 2 and 3. We asked the computer to add them, and 2 plus 3 is 5. So the computer says,
Mayam, can you change the text to something else so that people know that it is really executing? Because right now it is showing from before. Right? Just change it. Here is my additions instead of that. This is a Fatima's program or something. This is Fatima's first program, yeah.
okay.
Yeah, now you will see that the text changes. You see that? It says,
and then also if you want to change your numbers, you can also do that. Let's do 5 and like 4 and see if it works. So we're expecting what to get? We're expecting to get 9. Let's see if it works. See, it says 9. So that means our program is successfully working.
okay, very good, Mariam. So we're gonna go to the next person and take another question, okay? Inshallah.
Should I stop share or should I leave it?
No, leave it.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
You have to say your name so that we know who is speaking. Is that who is speaking now? Okay, I'm gonna pin you so that everybody can see. Okay, go ahead, Talha. Oh, sorry, maybe I bring a wrong person. I guess Talha.
Nuha is done.
Nuha. Okay, your name is Nuha? Okay, go ahead. What's your question?
My question is our Eclipse app downloaded. It's showing like create a Java project or create a project, which we should press.
Java project.
So Mariam, maybe show create a new project. Okay, let's show the first few steps. Step one more time. Go to file. Follow now. Okay, all of you follow. Go to file and say new, and then say Java project. Okay, slowly show one more time. So we'll create a new project. Okay.
What should I name this one?
Once Mariam press file and new project. So project name. You need to give any name. You can say test project, right? Let's name it test project. Okay.
Also, you cannot have a space in this one.
Yeah. And then once you write test project, you just say finish. That's it. No more step here. And here you said don't create. Okay. So now you see that this test project on the left side, you will see this test project has been created. Okay, Mariam, no, don't go yet. Explain what you are doing next.
Okay, so then you right click on it and click new, and then you have to create a package.
Package is folder basically where you're gonna put all of your programs.
What should we name it? Test project?
Yeah, say something. You can say test project, or you can say addition or math project or something.
Math test. We'll do math test.
Yeah.
Okay. Finish. And then you have your package. And then from your package, you have to create a class, right? Class. And in your class, you can write. Let's do addition again. We're learning addition today. Finish. And then you have a new place to write your code now.
So you see, this is the new structure. This is kind of a basic structure. The only thing missing here, you need to copy the main program, right? Main function. So that's what Maryam is going to show how to do that.
Wait, where? How do I go back to the old one?
Go to anyone. Click on that. Click on do math. Click on any of the Java program. Yeah. And just copy the main line.
Wow, why is it so much here? Okay.
No, this is a different thing.
We did it before, so that's fine.
Excuse me? For me, it's coming cross or wrong when I write something.
Where did you write that?
When I write on like, when I just copy yours, it's saying cross like this. Like Maryam's.
You may not be able to copy from the screen, right? That's why, we gave you the book, right? At the beginning, we shared you the book. You find this reference on that book as well.
No, I'm not copy and pasting. I'm just writing by myself, but it's saying wrong, a cross sign.
Oh, I see. That's because you are probably not following the syntax correctly, right? There may be some mistake. You need to follow exactly the same way.
The same exact, like the space, the brackets, and everything has to be the same.
So if you're not sure, I can tell you immediately what is your mistake. You wanna share quickly your screen?
Okay, I will share.
Then I have to stop.
You cannot start.
Okay, I stopped sharing. You should be able to share now.
Okay. Oh, wait.
Hello, Hafiz Masud, madam.
Look, it's saying like this cross.
So you see, that's the problem, right? So you don't have, you just have module. How come you don't have the class and stuff? You don't have it, right? Okay, you allow me. Okay, I'll show you. Can you allow me control?
Yeah, I allow you.
Okay, very good. So look at that. Like, so you have it here. Okay, let's see. Under source, you have this module, right?
Why is hers a module though? Isn't it supposed to say like class or something?
No, I'm gonna delete it, right? Yeah, I'm gonna delete it.
You should delete that.
For you. Okay, so I delete.
Yeah. Continue.
Okay, so I'm gonna create a new file. Let's see, new class. Let's say you say do addition, right? Finish. Okay, now you see that. Oh, you didn't create a package. That's why. I think you didn't create a package. That's why. Okay, that's okay. We'll rename it package. Actually, maybe let me do it like from beginning. I thought you already created the package, but apparently you didn't.
I have a question.
You know what? I'm gonna do a new project. So I'm not. You missed the creating the package. That's why you didn't follow one of the steps. So I'm doing it again. Okay. So you say test project. You can delete it later on. No problem. Project. Oh.
So this app, this Eclipse app, it only works on like MacBook and Windows computer. It can't work on Chromebook?
Yeah, that's right. It shouldn't. I don't think it works on Chromebook.
Oh, that's why I can't. So we can still follow you from here. We don't need to have it like we don't need to have the app, right?
Yeah, you can just follow along like you can see, but you won't be able to do it without the IDE though. But you can still watch and learn.
Okay, thank you.
I'm helping one of the person I'm helping. You can follow, right? I'm doing the simple step, right? You see, now you will not have any problem. So I created the do math, project, and now I'm creating a class. So you say, okay, do addition, maybe. Finish. Right now, you see that the structure. Look at the structure. How nice it is. You have the package, which is basically the folder name. You have the class. And all you need to do under this, you need to say public. This one you need to remember for now, right? Public static
void main, and then in brackets string, then third bracket, and then args.
Yeah, that's fine, Maryam. Thanks for helping me out. I don't sometimes remember what those are. So in the main, you have to say
strings.
ST.
Or just string, sorry, just string without S. And then there's two.
Sorry. Hold on. I missed something.
String goes in the bracket.
I have a question.
Yes, just 1 second.
Maryam, then AR, can you tell me what is next? ARV?
Oh, before arg, there's another thing you missed. It is that it be after string. There's two third brackets. There's nothing inside though.
Okay, got it. And then argv.
Yeah, but you spelled string wrong, and there's no space between string and the bracket.
Okay.
And arg with an S after arg.
Yeah, I'll fix it. Just 1 second.
It's easy. If anyone wants, you can copy paste it from the textbook. They have the thing written in there.
So you said there is an S?
No. There's no S. There's no space between the bracket and the string, and also args, ARGS, and that's it.
Yeah, I think now it's good, right? Yeah. Now you start writing your program underneath this, right? Here you say, okay, you good, right? Now you should be able to write all the things like, basket 1, basket 2, whatever way you want to define. I think your structure is good. Okay. I'm gonna, take back you the control.
Can you, she has to unshare so I can share again.
Yeah. No, you can share it. You cannot?
No, because once one is sharing, I can't share.
Assalamu alaikum, Sister Maryam.
Walaikum assalam.
We have downloaded the book. Do we need to read?
No, you don't need to read. It's really long. We're just going to keep it for reference so that whenever we need some help, we can go back to the book to help us, okay?
Okay, thank you.
1 second. I'm sharing my screen.
Where can I find the book? Like in the community page?
We're gonna post it. I don't think we posted the link.
In the community post, the post that I did it today, I'll share the book link there, inshallah.
Oh, okay.
Hello, Hafiz Masud Maryam.
Yeah.
Hello.
Can you say your name?
I am Irfan from India.
Is that Muhammad Irfan?
From India.
Okay, go ahead and say.
What is the difference between C and Java?
What is development in Java?
What's the difference between C++ and Java?
Oh, C++ and Java. Okay. Both are object-oriented programming, right? Both C++ and Java, both are object-oriented programming, but it has its own benefits, right? Java runs on a virtual machine, and C++ is not. Maryam, why don't you ask Google to explain what is the difference between Java and C++?
Google? Like search it?
Yeah.
Oh, you mean this Google thingy?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, Google. What is the difference between C++ and Java?
On the website softwaretestinghelp.com, they say, C++ is derived from C and has the features of both procedural and object-oriented programming languages. C++ was designed for application and system development. Java is built upon a virtual machine which is very secure and highly portable in nature.
So you got that, right? So that's the difference.
I didn't understand anything.
We have a little assistant at our home. So anytime we want to explain something, we just ask Google to explain.
Google picked up.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Okay, next person.
Assalamu alaikum.
Who's writing on my screen?
Okay, who is speaking? Next person, name please.
Samuel Razak.
Samuel Rajak. Oh, hold on. Let's talk to Samuel Rajak first. Okay, go ahead. Your question, please.
Is there any special compilers for Java program?
Come again one more time. What is your question? Is there what?
Is there any special compilers? Any other compilers for Java program?
Compilers. I see. No, actually, if you download Eclipse, right, then you don't need a explicit compiler. The compiler is packaged within that tool because Eclipse is a is an integrated development environment, right? So you have everything within it. So you don't have to specifically do anything. It takes care of it. Okay.
No, I am first time coding on Java. I started coding with Python and C program.
So your voice is a little bit low. You need to maybe speak up a little bit and say clearly. I'm not getting your question, honestly.
No, first time only I'm programming Java. Today is my first class.
Oh, that's okay. That's okay. If you already know C or C++, Java is basically similar, right? It's just like some syntax are different. The way in C++, for example, you say C.out, right? Here you say something else, right? System.printout or something, right? You will find there are some syntax different. But other than that, C++ and Java are very close in terms of the concept, right? Both are object-oriented programming. You will find that interesting even Java. And if you know Java, then eventually you'll be able to learn Android very quickly, which is very popular now, right? So if you want to write an Android application or anything, then if you have the Java knowledge, then it's going to help you. That's the idea. That's why I'm teaching Maryam and Fatima Java so that they can quickly pick up Android programming. Okay?
Yeah. Apple, I changed the
Next
name.
time you.
Just one more second. Yeah.
Next time you can teach us Python.
Python, you said?
No, next time after finishing this programming with Java, could you teach us Python?
Yeah. Inshallah, we'll see. But it's gonna go a little while because we just started. Okay, inshallah, we'll keep that in mind. Thank you, Brother Sami. Okay, thank you. Thanks for joining.
Welcome.
Okay, Maryam, go ahead. What is your question?
I was just gonna say I changed the name of the basket to input 1, input 2, and some input.
Yeah. So what happened? It's not working?
No, it worked. See, I named it Maryam's test program, and it worked.
Oh, okay. That's good. That's good. So which basically proves, right, that you can put any input name. It's not necessarily to be like basket or whatever. You can name it anything or everything, right? As long as it is a alphanumeric, then you should be able to name it. That's good. Okay,
I have a question.
And then we'll end, inshallah. So who is next?
I have a question.
What is your name? You have to say the name so that I can know who is speaking.
Dr. Aden. Angela.
Yeah, got it. Badia. Okay. Yeah. Go ahead.
And are we gonna do computer programming early?
Yeah, for today, yes. So the way we are thinking, we have Maryam has 2 classes, right? One, she's gonna continue on with Tajweed, and then eventually she's gonna pick up Arabic 101. You remember, like Maryam showed 3 books, 3 big volume books that she's gonna teach eventually. But on the other session, sometime we'll have fun, like Kahoot game. Sometime she's gonna do, and sometime we'll do Java programming, right? So you will see it's interesting, inshallah. Today is wake up because it's first time and a lot of people join. Actually, there is probably almost 100 participants, and all are Maryam to Jannah. That's the good thing, right? They are all Maryam Masud Jannah. So next time we'll make it more structured so that it becomes easier for all of you to understand, inshallah. We are also learning.
I have one question.
Sure.
I have a question.
Is it okay if I don't?
Your voice is breaking.
Okay if I don't download the program and I just learn, because I have a Chromebook and it doesn't let me download.
So see, the thing is, I mean, your voice is not clear.
But I was able to hear what she said. I think
But I think what you are asking, whether this Eclipse will work on Chromebook or not, we haven't tried. We have Chromebook at our home. Maybe we can try it. I guess it may not work because Chromebook is a kind of cloud-based operating system, right? So I don't know. They may have a different version for Chromebook.
Hello, I have a question.
No, I was saying.
Excuse me, I have a question.
Sister Aisha, right? Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead.
No, I was saying.
So your voice is not clear. You have some sound issue. I'm gonna pin Sister Aisha. Okay, rather. Sister Aisha, go ahead.
I was trying to say that before there was a class for Tajweed, and it was my first class, but it was the test is on February 13th. I would need the PPTs of that Quran the exam will be on 13th February that you told me.
Yeah, we already sent the PPT to. I mean, did you join recently? Like last couple of weeks?
Yeah, last Tajweed class I just joined.
Oh, okay. That's why. So what you do, you go to the YouTube community page, and if you scroll down, you will see one of the one of the members only post. We posted the link for the Tajweed classes. Okay, you have to go to YouTube community page and scroll down. Maybe couple of weeks back we posted it.
From there, I will get the all PPTs.
Yes, you will get all PPTs. And I am preparing PDF, which I'm gonna send either today or tomorrow to everyone again, inshallah. Okay.
Assalamualaikum.
Okay, and also I want to ask, there will be an exam for JavaScript this coding class.
No. There is no exam for Java for now at least. Okay. Don't worry.
Okay. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Abu Bakr. I have a question.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm taking a question from Abu Bakr, so we go serial. Okay. Yes, go ahead, brother Abu Bakr.
This is my first time joining the Zoom, and you were saying that there will be an exam on February 13th.
Yeah,
So I was wondering if you could just send me the
that's
past
for
Tajweed
not
classes
computer.
to review it.
Yeah. You same thing for you. You can scroll down a bit for the community post, and then it's only members post. So only if you're a member, you'll be able to see it. And
So
you'll
Maryam, I'm gonna send the PDF again, maybe today or tomorrow. Inshallah, you will get it. If you send us an email, then you will get it.
Okay,
If you
Jazakallah.
enroll in the email, then
Sister
you will.
Maryam, for how long this class will be?
We're
we are
done,
done.
basically.
So another 2 more questions, and then we'll be done, inshallah, for the day.
Assalamualaikum.
Inshallah.
Okay, so Narjis Parveen from India, right? So go ahead.
Yes. Yeah, I actually don't have a question from like the coding, but I have a question from the exams that Maryam sister is going to take.
Yeah, Maryam, can you unshare and talk about maybe the exam? We will get a lot of questions about the exam.
Actually, the file you sent us, when I open it, it is showing unsupported file.
Yeah, so that's why we're gonna be sending the PDFs today or tomorrow. So the reason it's not working is because it's a PowerPoint presentation, which means it'll probably only work for like Windows, but not MacBook or something. So that's why we'll send the PDF so everybody can open it.
Hello, madam.
I have a question. Thank you for helping.
Hello.
Assalamualaikum.
I don't know who to answer. Everybody's talking again.
Yeah, I think.
I have a question.
Maryam, I have a question.
Just one second, we go one by one. Who asked the next question? I think the sisters, right?
Okay.
I'm gonna pin.
Yeah.
Go ahead. The
I have I have a question. For what can I use Java for? I mean, in the future.
So, the thing is, so if you want to be a software engineer, or you want to be in the IT field, or even I would say a lot of other fields also, computer programming is very important, right? But when I'm teaching Fatima, for example, this computer program, she's not only learning computer programming, but she's at the same time learning how to do math, because she's just 6 year, right? She's doing learning how to do math. She's learning how to type. She's learning how to write English sentence and stuff, right? So for her, it's very beneficial. But if let's say if you want to be a doctor, learning in-depth Java programming may not be necessary, but it's no harm just to learn the basic things. Even nowadays in medical field, I know a lot of people are smart enough to do basic programming. So it's gonna eventually help you. But if you are not interested on software engineering line, then you may not need to go very deep in the programming. Okay, then you can skip this.
Also, can you make games using Java?
Yeah, you can make games. That's right. That's a great example. So when you learn, when you become expert programmer, you can write games. Like, for example, Maryam learned, in her school they teach her how to write games, right, Maryam?
I did games last year. This year we learned how to make apps and stuff.
Yeah, it's very good.
So
which
Hello, madam.
Next I remember was Maryam Saba had a question. Also, somebody keeps sharing their screen.
Yeah, please don't.
Abu, you can disable screen sharing. I think we're done, right, with screen sharing.
Yeah. Yeah. So I'm gonna disable screen sharing. Yeah, go ahead now. So
It was Maryam Saba had a question next, I think.
Okay. I'm gonna go to Maryam. Go ahead, Maryam Saba.
Who's speaking? I'm not sure.
I think Maryam Saba.
Hello, madam.
Maryam.
Okay, I don't know who's speaking.
Someone is saying hello, madam, again and again.
No, you have to say the name. Otherwise, we don't know who is speaking. Okay.
Excuse me, Khadija Ibrahim speaking.
Okay, Khadija Ibrahim is saying something.
We've only got as far as doing input 3 equals input 2. We don't know what to do after that.
Oh, you go to input 3, right? Then you just say input 3 equal input 1 plus input 2.
Yeah, we've done that.
Okay, then you have to write the system.out.printf.
On the next line, we write system
out.printf.
No. Maryam is here. Otherwise, they're not going to understand.
But I think you disabled it.
No, I'm gonna enable it again because there is a syntax they need to follow, right? It's not that simple. Yeah, here now.
Yeah, you should be able to see. This line, you just missed it.
Right.
Capital S, system out.
Oh wait, but I have, okay, wait, let me go back to the one Fatima did because mine is different. Here.
Okay.
Okay, while Sister Khadija is copying, anybody else have any last question, or we're gonna end today's session?
Sister Maryam.
Okay, can you tell me when there will be a Kahoot class?
Next Saturday.
Next week. You're fine.
Means 23rd January.
I'm sorry?
Means the Kahoot class will be on 23rd January.
Sister Maryam, this is Minha Mehet.
Second.
Yeah, 23rd January. That's correct. 23rd January.
That's the Kahoot class, right?
Okay.
So who is asking? Who is next?
Maryam, this is Minha Mehet.
No, you have to say name.
Assalamualaikum.
Fatima
My
Siddiqui.
name is Ashriya.
Fatima Siddiqui. Okay. Fatima Siddiqui. Okay, go ahead, Fatima Siddiqui.
We are Minha Mehak.
Yeah, yeah. You know,
I remember.
Mariam, do you remember? Like
Yeah,
the
I
twin
remember the twins.
Yeah.
You have a question?
You will send a PDF in WhatsApp or email.
Ambu, where are we sending the PDF?
Oh, we'll send an email. So I have your email address. You will receive it in few days. Okay.
Okay, next is our sister Ashriya Javid to talk.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Walaikum assalam.
So my dad,
Assalamualaikum.
will I be able to be a panelist in the next class too?
So next one is Kahoot. I'm not sure because for this class we took like everybody to join as panelists, but in the usual classes we just choose a few people. So maybe inshallah, if you get chosen, then you will.
Input 3. Okay, thank you, sister.
Okay, I also saw Brother Muhammad Irfan had a question.
Okay.
Yes, madam.
Assalamualaikum, Sister Maryam.
1 second. Let's start with Brother Muhammad Irfan, then I'll come to Sister Nafisa.
Brother Muhammad.
How to become a panelist, madam?
How to become a panelist? You have to be a channel member.
Yes, ma'am. But
are you a channel member?
Yes, I am already channel member for the 3 months.
Oh, that's good then. So today, for example, today you are already panelist. So inshallah, you will become panelist again, maybe in next few class. We just alternate, right? Today you got a chance, maybe next class you will not get it, but after that you will get again.
And just ask, do I just press save now? Do we just press save now?
Yeah, you can press run. Did you run it? Did it work?
Or how do you run it?
Oh, so I'll show you again. You see this green button on the top?
All right, yeah. Hold on. I don't think we have.
Did you see any cross mark on your program? Then it may not work.
No. The crosses, we made sure there's no crosses.
Okay, so now if you run it, it should work. Did it work?
I can't see that green button. Oh yeah, I see, it says run on the top. Shall I?
You can also click run on the top and just click run.
The top green. No, hold on. Run that top. All right, okay.
It says unable to launch.
The selection cannot be launched as there are no recent launches.
Abu, what does that mean?
So you wanna share your screen?
We're doing it on a different laptop because we've got a Chromebook, so we've done it on a different laptop. I can't share the screen. I don't know if I turn it around.
Should we log in to
Can you see it?
No, actually we can see it. Just send us a screenshot. I'll tell you what's the problem. Okay, send us a screenshot.
Email us. We'll tell you later. Okay. Okay. I think we're done, right?
Just one question.
Assalamualaikum.
And Maryam? Excuse me, Sister Maryam.
Yeah.
Actually, my sister wants to talk with Sister Fatima. So can she?
Okay. How about in the next
Fatima
class?
is not here. Maybe I'll bring her for a minute and then we'll be done.
Okay, sure, I guess.
Assalamualaikum.
The class has been very
Maryam,
long
can we
already.
talk to Fatima?
Yeah, so she's coming. So after that we'll end because the class is already really long and we have to do some other stuff. So we're gonna go after Fatima comes, okay?
Sister
I have one
Maryam.
question.
Actually, my sister is also 6 years old.
Classes.
Everybody's talking at once. I can't hear. I saw Sister. 1 second. I don't know who's talking.
Assalamualaikum, Sister Maryam.
Here is Fatima. Someone wants to see Fatima. So Fatima is back. What is your question for Fatima?
Assalamualaikum. Walaikum assalam. How are you?
Assalamualaikum, Fatima.
Walaikum assalam. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good, alhamdulillah.
So so Fatima, ask everyone to complete this program so that next time they can show us whether they are successful writing this program.
I am Everyone, can you please finish this program? And so next time you can show us how you did it.
Exactly. Because we want to see like you are able to write this addition.
Assalamualaikum, Sister Fatima.
When is our next class?
Sister Maryam.
I think Sister Fatima Hasmi.
Everyone's talking at once.
Okay, I think today we're done for today.
Last question, Sister Fatima Hasmi. Any other question?
Can I ask?
Assalamualaikum. Excuse me.
Mariam, take this last question.
Everybody's talking at once. I can't hear anything.
Sister Maryam, can I ask?
Yeah, one last question from Sister Fatima Hasmi.
Assalamu alaikum, Fatima.
Assalamualaikum. My question is related to Java that Eclipse will only be accessed on the desktop computers and laptops, or it can also be accessed on the smartphones.
No, not smartphones. You have to have a computer or laptop.
Okay.
That's all for today, okay?
Sister
We'll
Maryam.
take more questions next time.
Bye, Sister Maryam.
Your questions, okay? Bye.